Hello UPSC aspirants, hope your preparation is on right track. UPSC Prelims 2022 notification is finally out and there are 861 vacancies this time. So you can take lot of hope from this fact that from last 2 years the vacancies were hovering around 700, but this time there are 800 vacancies, so you make sure you make the best use of this golden opportunity. Now, Chandigarh Civil Service Academy, which is aimed at creating or you can say transforming your civil service dream into reality, is bringing a tailor-made course to help you in your endeavor to crack prelims. The 75-day prelims cruise program will be starting on February 15, in which our main focus would be to not only revise the all important themes, but also build the right temperament for solving the objective questions. In the 3-hour lecture, the first 2 hours will be devoted for value additions as well as quick revision of important themes. In the final 1 hour, we will be giving you 20 qualitative questions based on those themes, and then there will be thorough discussion. And then we will solve that how you have to decode which questions are to be attempted, which are to be left. Now in this course, you can say, since it's a 75-day course, we will be aiming to solve almost 2000 plus questions. And the other attraction of this course is that our prelims test series, which has already started in month of January, would be given free. So the test you have already missed would be made available to you. And apart from that, you can say the right mentoring experience, because Chandigarh Civil Service Academy has one of the best experienced faculty team in the region, and they will be ready to help you in all your civil service dream. So make sure you avail this opportunity at the earliest, and the fees is quite nominal one this time. We have just kept the fees at 15,000 rupees. So make sure you get yourself timely registered for the course. Once again, I am highlighting the course is starting in February 15. So you have to get yourself registered beforehand to start your preparation, because all prelims themes, right from geography, map work, international organizations, current affairs, all would be covered systematic way in a time-bound manner. So, wishing you all the best in your prelims preparation. If you have any queries, feel free to connect. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.